Look around you. You will see boring people everywhere. They are not hard to find. But every now and then, you come across a man that is interesting and you don't know why. He draws in other people with his alluring presence, even if he doesn't say much. That charming aura is called charisma. It is the ability to influence others without logic, and it is extremely powerful. There are countless millionaires and crypto nerds that want to be charismatic so bad that they try to overcompensate with their wealth and material possessions. You will see them flexing with supercars and watches. The truth is, no amount of money can buy you charisma because it's an intangible force that one must learn to master. And even if you possess that mystique of charisma right now, you can still lose it if you don't pay attention. A good example of this is Conor McGregor. This man used to be extremely charismatic in his prime.
2015 was my year. 2016 is also my year. Every year is my fucking year.
But as he became richer and more drunk, he started to lose his charisma completely and utterly.
We'll let it play out with what happens with what happens with it. So again, like what could I say? It does not matter what.
There are countless men in human history that have lost their charismatic edge, and age was not to blame. You see, charisma is extremely powerful, but it's also very jealous. And once you stop giving it attention, it will leave you and go to someone else. Rich or broke, young or old, charisma does not care about any of those things. It will come to you if you do the right things and leave you instantly if you neglect it. I will teach you how to become the most charismatic man in the room. But I must warn you, no matter who you are or what you accomplish in life, the moment you start thinking you are above all and forget about what got you your charisma, you will lose that powerful presence instantly. We will go over 4 ways to master the art of charisma. Number 1, stay present. If you are scrolling on TikTok or are constantly overstimulating yourself, you have the charisma of a little cockroach, because one must be in the present to unlock charisma. There is no cheat code or cheap trick to bypass this rule. Earlier, I mentioned Conor McGregor. The reason why I bring him up is because there is no better example of someone that had a lot of charisma and lost it all in only a few years. There is a lesson to be learned here. Listen. Back when McGregor was very charismatic, his entire presence was different because he used to be in the present moment. The man was witty and sharp and had the ability to respond with humor quickly.
Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that? You know damn well who I am. Who the fuck is that?
The most charismatic men are in the present moment, not locked into their own mind and overthinking the future, and not living in the past either. They are simply in the present moment. You see, you can't be charismatic if your brains are clouded with distractions, and that is why most people are dull. They are constantly on their phone being overstimulated or use drugs and other methods to try and escape reality. If you want to be charismatic, you need to be in the present moment. Filter out garbage distractions and allow your senses to awaken. Hear, see, smell, feel. I know this sounds wishy-washy to most people, and they will call it cringe, but that doesn't matter, because as I said before, most people have the charisma of a little cockroach, and it doesn't matter what a cockroach thinks. Number 2. Power. Power is linked to your presence. It is an undeniable fact of life. This is why you can feel when a fighter walks into the room. If you aren't overly stimulated and distracted, you should be able to feel it if a man is dangerous. But power is more than just physical presence. it actually goes much deeper than that. From the words you speak to how you use emotions to your advantage, it all contributes to a powerful presence. Power is an entirely different topic in itself, so we will not go over it right now. I've already made an important video on how to gain power as a man, but it got taken down by YouTube. Join the free newsletter in the description if you want access to that deleted video. Number 3. Warmth. The third part to developing superhuman charisma is something called warmth. It is warmth that makes you approachable and draws people in, and one could argue that this is the most important part. However, to radiate charisma, warmth absolutely must be combined with a powerful presence, because displaying warmth without having any power will just make you seem like a pushover nice guy. Listen, conveying warmth is quite easy. It is nothing more than making other people feel comfortable. This could be by showing a smile and having empathy for others. It will make you approachable and likable. And the truth is that people who are not approachable aren't charismatic. However, you will find two types of people in the world. One is a person that knows how to convey warmth but lacks a powerful presence. You will find these people everywhere, from nurses in a hospital to your average nice guy. They have zero power but tend to be very warm, approachable people. On the other side, you have dangerous men that lack the ability to convey any warmth. In fact, they often radiate the exact opposite of warmth because they can be cold as ice. Both lack charisma. You see, one must know how to combine warmth with a powerful presence to unlock the formula to charisma. Number 4. Tone of voice. Your voice tone is twice as important as the words you speak. The type of voice tone that conveys authority and charisma is one that is as low as naturally possible, but at the same time, it should not be forced. People will convince you that your voice is just genetics and you can't change anything about it, but that isn't true. Although a lot about your voice is genetic, that does not mean you have hit the potential of your voice. Think about it. Most guys have the testosterone of a worm, and we all know more testosterone deepens your voice. Testosterone makes the vocal cords thicker, and thicker vocal cords in turn produce a deeper and lower pitch. Simply raising your testosterone will improve your voice as a man, but this video isn't about increasing your testosterone. And testosterone isn't the only way to unlock the potential of your masculine voice. You see, most guys that have a high-pitched voice have actually forced themselves to speak that way. Their energy is way too high, and they breathe quite shallow, meaning they don't take deep breaths and breathe from their chest like a peasant. Before I go over the high energy part, I will go over the breathing first. What you need to do to deepen your voice is to breathe deep from your diaphragm. Your belly should come outward as you take in air, and you'll feel your lungs opening up. Place your hand on your belly and take a deep breath. This is called belly breathing, and it helps get much more oxygen into your lungs while it calms you down. Secondly is the high energy. Most guys can't control their energy. Their energy is very high, and that is why they have a castrated voice. Do not misunderstand it. High energy and having a lot of energy are two different things. When I say high energy, I mean your energy doesn't go lower than your chest, leaving you quick to be overexcited or to blur out words with a pathetic high-pitched voice. Once again, this ties into your breath work. Your ability to breathe deeper will bring your energy down into a lower region of your body. This will allow you to speak from a more grounded place with a deeper voice, and your voice will resonate with your body much more. If you want to know more about deepening your voice, let me know in the comments down below. I could create a full video guide on it. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.